Brad Williams, Excel Prime, convert month name into month number. I have a bunch of different examples here, so let's just get started. We have just some dates, January through December, and a simple conversion is just using the month function. Month, B5, we're going to convert this over into a number. So it's 1. Here, month returns the month as a number. Simple enough, yeah? Do I need to go any further than that? So we just go month, B5, and 1. Month and 2. What happens if we just go month, B5, month 1? You won't know what month this is, all right? So you got a reference. You need a reference, okay? Notice how we have to increment this. B5, B6, and 1. What if we just go B6? We're going to get a value. We have to concatenate this with a 1 in order to get the number. Okay. Here, we're going to use date value. Date value converts a date. Converts a date stored as text into a valid date. Notice we are hard coding this. Putting it in quotes within parentheses. And we're going to get a number. Here, same thing. Date value just converts that over. Over here, then we just change the format, okay? February 1, 29. We can go in here and now go in, and is this a format issue? Well, go to custom. You're going to see general. So yeah, we can go in and change this up. Once we get this data, we can go something like this. If we want it, we'll just go month date. We could change this into 1/1/29 just by going in and formatting it. Keep in mind that always, these are serial numbers. Moving on. Here, again, hard-coded, date value. Here, date value, B10. Taking B10 and 1. We have a little more flexibility here. We can go in and we're going to grab B10 because it's just grabbing the date value, adding 1 to it. Here, we're going, and keep in mind, this is just June. It's going to come up with the most recent year, I suspect. Here, we have date value and then 7/10. We had 10 days to it. If you try to just go B12 plus 1, you're going to get an error. But if you go to B13 and you're going to concatenate, you're going to get the output. So you can get September 1. Then if you want to do this, if you want the number, we're going to concatenate and then just add 0. It begs the question, can I just go general here? No. I tried to format this. It won't do it. If we go in, why? Because this is now text. This is text. Here, can we go in and change this? Short date? Yeah. Why? Because viewed as a serial number now because of this 0. Over here, we just did month. Well, that's sort of what we've already done, right? We used the month over here and got the same output. Here, we hard-coded. We went to D8, and then we used the text. We used text for no other reason, just for conversation. You can go in and you can change a date like this over into April. You can also go in here and go Control 1 and just go MMM, and you're going to get April, or add a 4th M, and you're going to get the full April. Down here, type. You can modify, you can change the format any way you want by just typing in the required output and experiment as you want. Read it if you need it. Over here is just the anatomy. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.